Today we will be practicing how we make an indigenous bubble CPAP. This is made at the places where we do not have any machine CPAP. Firstly, the prerequisites for it are a nasal prong which will be connected to the patient's interface to the baby's nose, a oxygen tubing which will provide the oxygen from the oxygen source to the bubble cap. Thirdly, we need a burette set, a pediatric burette set. The fourth thing which we need is a three-way cannula, and the last thing which we need is normal saline, which will be for making the pressure. First of all, what we do is we take the burette set and we cut the burette set. The long end is to be cut from below. We'll cut the burette set and tie it. It is to be tied. This is tied. From the upper end we have two holes here. Two holes. From one of the holes we remove the cap from it. We have already removed the cap from it. Now we will take the cut end. We will first introduce normal saline up to the mark of 100 in this. We will take the normal saline which we have and we will put it inside it. It is being filled up to the mark of 100. Yeah, we have filled it up to 100. We can easily see it. It has been filled up to here. This is one part. We have taken it, we will put it aside. We will now take the three-way cannula. This three-way has three ends. One of the ends will be connected to this pressure chamber. The second will be connected to the oxygen source. And the third will be connected to the patient interface. The long end of the burette set which we took, we will connect one of its port to the three-way cannula. We can connect any of these to any one of these. It is not that you have to connect to a particular port. One of them end is connected to the pressure source. The second will be connected to the patient interface. The nasal prong one, the second one, and the third end which we are to connect to the oxygen source, we will cut the end of it, one of the ends, so that it gets easily into the three-way cannula. Now we have